2025 GMC Sierra 2500HD. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It looks as sharp as it performs, with stylish features which include cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera. Visit us to take home the car of your dreams.